Hello, welcome to Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Ellie Pai Hong. You know, so many youth from at-risk communities have the will and the drive and the smarts to succeed, but they lack the opportunity, education, and tools to do that. But an organization is trying to provide those things to help them succeed. With me is Ernest Roberts. He is with an organization called Inner City Stars, and they use technology to do that. Ernest, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your time.
No problem. I'm enjoying being here.
Oh, good. Well, Ernest, you are the perfect spokesperson for this program because you went through this.
Yes, ma'am.
And you were just out of high school, had gotten your degree, had a little bit of professional experience, but needed more. And this organization really took you along, gave you technology skills, gave you leadership skills, they taught you soft skills. Talk to me about your experience and what that was like.
Okay, so to backtrack a little bit, I myself was a little bit more outside of high school. So I was in the workforce for about, I would say, 8 years. I was working in the supply chain industry, working in warehouses, doing a lot of logistic things. And my career kind of hit a stall point where I couldn't go any further. There was this glass ceiling that I just couldn't break through. And I wanted to get back to something that I was passionate about while I was in high school and as a kid, which was technology. So I heard about IC Stars through a family member of mine who actually went through the program and just recommended the great process. So I decided to come in and just try to check it out, see what it was going on. And from the very beginning, it was amazing. While the application progress is rigorous, it's a program that completely changed my life. It's a 12 hours a day, 5 days a week program where you can't be late, you cannot miss a day for 4 months. And this is the first in-house internship. So it's pretty much hands-on, and it teaches you technology and leadership skills from literally conflict management, as well as how to code basic terminology and basic things, basic applications.
This totally changed your life.
It did.
This program changed, and it changes so much so that you come back now, talk to the younger youth that are going through this program.
Yes, ma'am. So because it invested so much into me, I just feel you have to give it back. It's changed my life for the better, and it's given me so much more. It's like, how can you not go back and continue to make that path for the people that come after you? Everything is always different, so every cycle is handled differently. Well, they learn different things, but the core philosophy is still there. It's about creating opportunities for others. You get on, you get put on, you get to the next level. You have to be able to reach back and tell the people how to get there too. It's about bringing everybody up around you, and that's how we continue to bring up our communities. So it's not leave your community and go do better. It's go back into your community and bring everybody else with you. And
it's using technology to solve the problems of your local community, right?
Yes, ma'am. That is definitely, it's our forefront. So a lot of things, for me growing up, technology wasn't a career. I never thought I could be in technology. Right now, I am a social application developer for OCC, which is Options Clearing Corporation. And I never thought I would be here. Mm-hmm. It's been immaculate, and it's been life-changing because of the things that I've learned and everything they're allowing me to do. I'm going back into the community and teaching kids this at a younger age. So I'm trying to give them the information I have now when they're that age.
And they can see you as their role model.
Yes,
For more information on the program and how to apply, you can check out their website, icstars.org. Ernest Roberts, thanks so much for your time today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Newsmakers.